How to delete Pandabuy account. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete your Pandabuy account. One thing you must notice is that for you to be able to delete Pandabuy account, you have to have the mobile app installed on your phone. That is Pandabuy mobile app. So once you have it installed on your phone, you can just go ahead and open the app. Once you open the app, you'll be brought to the home page. Now on this home page, you'll see a list of things and must be products etc. Now focus is on the lower right corner of the screen. On the lower right corner of the screen, you'll see the account icon. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the account page where you see other warehouse, rehearsal, parcel, etc. Then by the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the settings icon. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the settings page. On the settings page, you'll see options of things that you can do, such as shipping address, account safety, account bind, credit card billing address, and then you'll see close account. Close account. So just go ahead and click on close account. Then once you click on close account, you'll be asked why you want to close your account. The reason, just go ahead and select whichever applies to you. Then make complicated shopping process. Then next. Then after that, for the security of your account, you need to enter the mailbox verification code for security verification. So your current email. So that means that the verification code will be sent to your current email. So just click on get code. Once you click on get code, the code will be sent to your verification email. That is the email you use to register your Panda Buy account. You just go to your email, get the code. Once you get the code, you input the code there and then you click on confirm. So let's go ahead and then let's go to the email app. Yes, just open the email app like that and select the email address you use to register for Padabuy. So as you can see, email verification code, a code has been sent already. Just click on it. Then this is the verification code. Go ahead and copy it like that. Then you go back to Pandabuy. You put the verification code into the box, then you click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, your account would be deleted. So this is how you can delete or close your account on Pandabuy. Thanks for watching.